Today, I'll show you how to add music in GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what options you have, and how to get your audio playing smoothly on your site. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account and that you've opened the website builder for the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your website laid out in sections. Move your mouse around the page and look for the spot where you want your music player to appear. This could be near the top of your homepage, on an event page, or maybe on a portfolio or podcast page. When you hover your cursor in that area, a blue button should appear that says Add Section, usually with a plus icon. Go ahead and click that blue Add Section button. This is how you tell the builder you want to drop a new block of content into that part of the page. After clicking, a panel will open with different types of sections you can add. Here, you'll want to look for the audio-related option. In the search field, type audio. This helps you quickly filter out everything else and jump straight to the right kind of section. When you see the audio option appear, click on it, then select Add. This adds a dedicated audio section to your page designed specifically for hosting and playing sound. Once the audio section is in place, you'll have two main ways to bring your music in. The first option is to upload an audio file directly from your computer. This is useful if you have original music, a recorded message, or a podcast episode saved as an audio file. Click the upload button in the audio section, then browse your device for the file you want to use. Common formats like MP3 usually work best. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload. When it's done, you should see the track appear in the section along with playback controls. The second option is to attach a link instead of uploading a file. This can be helpful if your audio is hosted somewhere else, like a music platform or a direct audio URL. Look for the field that allows you to paste in a link, then paste your audio URL there. Make sure the link points directly to an audio source that can be played back, not just a general web page. Once your file is uploaded or your link is attached, take a moment to preview your page using the preview option in the builder. Check that the play button appears, the title looks right, and the audio plays as expected. When you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, don't forget to save and publish your changes so your visitors can hear the music live on your site. That's it. You've just added music to your site in GoDaddy Website Builder.